Hi Eric, this is Mike. We're over here at your home. Just wanted to give you an update. We would like to get the windows going tomorrow as far as ordered. But as far as the deck, see, we're getting ready to cut the, see the little lines, and then we're getting ready to cut for the stringers. Starting to put the decking back on. We went ahead and boarded up one of your windows. The tenant was a little concerned, so we boarded it up right there. So what our plan is, as of right now, is to get the decking complete. Since you got all new joists, get the decking complete today. Let me see the difference. Nice and clean. Actually, there was one joist we were able to save. The good news is we think that we'll be able to save some of your posts, so we'll make the adjustments accordingly, but right now we want to make sure that everything's safe. So decking today, stairs tomorrow, and rails the following day. I'm thinking that this stuff is going to have to be stained, Eric. It's a little rough. Might be able to save you a few bucks if we can actually, when these are down, I can have my painting crew come over here and stain them when they're down, and that sure will save some time and some money, opposed to having to mask off the whole side of the house and cutting around with a brush around the composite decking. All right, Eric, there's your update. Questions, concerns, ideas. You need anything, please let me know and I'll be in touch. Thank you, sir.